Welcome back. Today we're creating an indulgent bakery-style Mocha Almond Fudge Cheesecake. This rich dessert combines a crunchy Oreo cookie crust, a silky chocolate cheesecake layer, a smooth espresso cheesecake layer, glossy dark chocolate ganache, and a generous topping of toasted almonds. For the crust, you'll need Oreo cookies, melted unsalted butter, and granulated sugar. Now let's prepare our signature Oreo crust. Place the Oreo cookies into a food processor and blend them into fine, even crumbs. The finer the crumbs, the smoother and sturdier your crust will be. Transfer the crumbs into a large mixing bowl, then add the sugar and melted butter. Stir everything together until every crumb is coated and the mixture resembles wet sand. Line the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment paper before pressing the crumb mixture firmly into the base. Use the bottom of a measuring cup or glass to create an even, compact layer. Once the crust is smooth and firmly packed, transfer the pan to the refrigerator and allow it to chill for about 15 minutes while we prepare the cheesecake filling. For the cheesecake filling, gather full-fat cream cheese, granulated sugar, room-temperature eggs, pure vanilla extract, and heavy whipping cream. For the chocolate layer, you'll need melted, unsweetened baking chocolate. Place the room-temperature cream cheese into a large mixing bowl and beat until completely smooth and free of lumps. Add the granulated sugar and continue mixing until light and creamy. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing gently after each addition. This creates a silky texture while preventing too much air from being incorporated into the batter. Pour in the vanilla extract and heavy whipping cream, then mix just until everything is smooth and well combined. Divide the cheesecake batter evenly into 2 separate bowls. Into the first bowl, pour the melted, unsweetened chocolate and gently fold it into the batter until you achieve a rich, deep chocolate color. Remove the chilled Oreo crust from the refrigerator and carefully pour the chocolate cheesecake batter over the crust. Spread it evenly using an offset spatula, then gently tap the pan on the countertop to release any trapped air bubbles. Now it's time to create the delicious mocha layer. For the espresso mixture, prepare heavy whipping cream and instant espresso powder. Pour the cooled espresso cream into the remaining cheesecake batter and gently fold until the coffee is evenly blended throughout. Using spoon, slowly pour the mocha batter over the chocolate cheesecake layer. Smooth the top gently with an offset spatula until perfectly level. To achieve the creamiest texture and prevent cracks, wrap the springform pan securely with several layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Place the pan inside a larger roasting pan and carefully pour hot water around it until it reaches halfway up the sides. Bake the cheesecake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for approximately 65 to 75 minutes. Avoid opening the oven during baking. The cheesecake is ready when the edges are set while the center still has a slight, gentle wobble. Turn off the oven, leave the door slightly open, and allow the cheesecake to cool gradually before transferring it to the refrigerator to chill overnight. For the ganache topping, prepare heavy whipping cream, dark or semi-sweet chocolate chips, and a small amount of butter for an extra glossy finish. Finally, for decoration, you'll need toasted slivered almonds. After chilling overnight, the cheesecake is perfectly firm and ready for its finishing touches. Carefully release the springform pan to reveal smooth sides and beautifully defined layers. To prepare the ganache, gently heat the heavy cream until it begins to steam, then pour it over the dark chocolate chips. Allow it to sit for 2 minutes before stirring until completely smooth and glossy. Add a small amount of butter for an even, shinier finish. Pour the ganache over the center of the cheesecake and slowly spread it toward the edges. Allow the chocolate to flow naturally over the sides, creating elegant drips that make this cheesecake so irresistible. While the ganache is still soft, generously sprinkle toasted slivered almonds across the top. Their golden color and delicate crunch provide the perfect finishing touch. Dip a sharp knife into hot water and wipe it dry before slicing. As the knife glides through the glossy chocolate ganache, the creamy mocha cheesecake, The rich chocolate cheesecake and the crisp Oreo crust, every layer remains perfectly defined. Carefully lift the first slice and place it onto a serving plate. Notice the contrast between the dark cookie crust, the velvety chocolate layer, the smooth mocha layer, and the glossy chocolate topping crowned with toasted almonds. Every bite delivers the perfect balance of rich chocolate, bold espresso, creamy cheesecake, crunchy Oreo crust, and roasted almond flavor. Serve this elegant dessert chilled alongside a freshly brewed cup of coffee or espresso for the ultimate cafe-style experience. Thank you for baking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another delicious dessert recipe. I'll see you in the next one. Happy baking!